Hey everyone, welcome back. So today is Tuesday and the markets are down. It's a painful day with Bitcoin. The miners are all down. It's not looking good right now. So we talked about this a little bit yesterday with Bitcoin possibly doing a fake out, right? I didn't think that was the case, but it looks like that was the case. So let's take a look at Bitcoin right now. We'll take a look at the miners as well, and then we'll look at some of the stocks as well, and we'll call it a day for now, at least until this afternoon. So Bitcoin is at 47,906. Huge loss on it, 5.5% down. The miners are down even more. So here's why I was thinking that, this possibly wasn't a fake out. Basically because we had the 20-day move across the 200-day moving average. And I thought this was a good sign that we might be going up higher. We, went up higher yesterday to about 52,000. We came back down towards the end of the day, and then we obviously kept falling ever since then. So it looks like we got faked out. We're coming back down. So now where is the bottom on this? I don't know, but my gut feeling is that 44,000, 40,000 is still in play. Based on my previous support lines here, so if we zoom out here, we can see we got a support line here at 40,700. We have another one at 44,700 roughly. And the next one closest to us right now is at right around 47,000. And we're at 47,800 right now. So we could fall further down into this 47,000 mark one. If that one doesn't hold, we're going down lower to 44. And if that one doesn't hold, we're going down even further. So this could be part of that. Part of this all, I don't know what to call this. It's not selling pressure. I guess it could be selling pressure. But we're just kind of in this correction right now where we were going sideways, but we are still in this kind of channel here. So I'm thinking that possibly 44,000 would be the one to play, because if we look at it here, you got this kind of, let me see if I can draw this in for you guys. So we got this line here that we're basically from here to here. And then again from right around here, let me draw from here to here. So we're still in this kind of pattern of trading up and down here. So we could come back down to around 45,600 if it holds here. And if it doesn't, it's going to go down to 44,000. So we'll have to just see how this plays out. Ethereum is obviously down as well. It has fallen below our support at 3,950. It is now, we'll have to see what our current support might be. Current support might be at around 3,650, looking at just the candle wicks here. And then we'll see where that one falls. But it is down 6%. Everything is falling down. There's no real news to, other than just selling pressure. Cardano is down almost 8%. That is testing also our support at 140. We'll see if that can hold or not. If not, it's going back down as everything else. Hedar Hashgraph has obviously fallen as well. It's down almost 9.5%. Doge is down 7.5%. Litecoin is down 5%. Solana is down 8.75% roughly. Coin is down 6.53%. Rivian is down 4.3%. And then if we look at the mining stocks here, let's take a look at the other chart here that we have for them. So this is on Webull. We can see that Argo is down 7.8%. Down to 129. Everything is just down today. The only one that's kind of up is Iron, which is kind of interesting to see. We'll have to see if there's anything for them. But Bitfarms is down 11.66%, down to 527. So that is testing the 200-day moving average right now. Cleanspark is down also almost 10% to 9.5% down to 1107. Digihost is testing the 200-day as well. It is down 8.95% to 493. DMG is down as well. It's down 3.55% to 68 cents. Hive is down 8.93 to 280.80. It has obviously gone below the 20-day again. It touched it a little bit, but it's fallen below it. Hot 8 is down 13.2%. One of the ones that's down the most here out of the bunch here. It is down to 765. It is touching the 200-day moving average, so we'll see if it tries to maintain support there. And then Iris Energy is a new one that I've been covering here. That one is actually up today, 6.34% to 1685. Let's see if there's any news out for them. We don't have anything recent here on them. let's take a look at short interest. Short interest is old from 11:15. Institutions hasn't changed. And then analysts, we still don't have any analyst ratings for them. So interesting to see that one's going up while everything else is going down. Marathon is down 11.5% to 34.87. Mawson is down 4.8, almost 5%, down to 6.92. And Riot is down almost 9, well, it's down 9.75% to 23.33. So red market, obviously. Let's take a look at the markets here really quick. Obviously, you got the S&P down. The Dow Jones ETF is up, but the NASDAQ is down. So interesting to see that this is all going on. So it looks like there's a lot of green here still in the stock market, but red in the crypto market, which is surprising. Let's take, there's one other thing I want to talk to you guys about, and that was from PlanB. So PlanB tweeted, 50K to 200K, one standard deviation band feels wide. Some people think this makes the stock to flow model invalid and not useful, but is it? Last cycle, stock to flow model average was 7K with a first band of 3.5 to 14K, not wide from current 50K perspective. Next cycle band will be 500,000 to 2 million. So he's thinking that this is still useful information. And if you look at the chart here, on it, we are towards the bottom end of it here. We have been there before in 2018, looks like 2019, and we kind of crossed it as well this year once, and now we're doing it again. So we're at the very low end of the band that he has for the stock to flow model. We should be closer to the 100,000 mark based on this, and then obviously going up higher in the next halving cycle as well. So we'll see how this plays out. Obviously, Bitcoin is not doing great today. Neither are the miners or any of the crypto stocks right now. So we'll just have to see how this plays out. There's no direct result for going down other than just maybe just some selling pressure, just not enough buying pressure out there to keep the stock, keep the coins up in price. So that's it. That's all I wanted to provide you guys. Just a quick update. What's going on in the market? It's not looking good right now. We'll see how the day ends. Obviously, the miners I think are going to be down a lot more. Bitcoin continues to fall down as well. So buying opportunity. If you got cash laying around, if you want a dollar cost averaging, might not be bad. Not financial advice. Do your own research as always. But this is something that I'm definitely looking to possibly take advantage of. So just wanted to get that out there. Let me know what you guys think of Bitcoin as far as why is it tanking right now. If you guys have any ideas. I know there's some reports that longs are being basically taken out, and that could be the reason why. Or could this just be a bear trap basically, and then we're going to go back up. So there's a couple ways to look at it, depending which way you want to go. So that's it. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys this afternoon. After markets close, we'll do another update, see if there's anything that's changed or if there's any news from these miners. So appreciate you guys watching. Thank you so much for that. If you enjoy these videos, hit the smash the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Helps me out tremendously. That's all I ask of you guys. Have a great day. I'll see you later on today. Bye.